Hello. So today I'm going to talk about the Target Corporation and discuss the SWOT analysis that we did for our project, along with the recommendations that we made for the company. To begin, the Target Corporation operates a number of retail superstores across the US, and it does offer a variety of products to its customers. These products include groceries, apparel, toys, and electronics. It also offers a number of convenient services to shoppers. One of them is Drive Up, so they can order something online and then they don't even have to go into the store to get their order. They can just have it brought out to them. Another one that they offer is Order Pickup, so the customer can just order something online, go to the customer service counter, and then they can just leave the store after they get their order. And then they also offer pharmaceutical services, and then they have a Red Card loyalty program for their card holders. Onto the SWOT analysis. Some internal strengths that they have is they do offer a variety of merchandise to shoppers. They have a trendy clothing selection for men, women, and children, so the whole family. They have a partnership with Starbucks Coffee now. Over the past couple years, they started renovating their food areas that they had in the front of the stores, so now they're all Starbucks. And then they are very involved with charities and local communities. Some internal weaknesses that the company has is that it doesn't sell many items that are exclusive to the store. So a lot of name brand household items in grocery stores, you can not only find them at Target, but you can find them at any other grocery store or any other superstore. Their groceries are a little bit higher in price as compared to some other stores. It's about 15% higher. And then also they don't have any international stores right now. Some external opportunities that they have is they have a CVS partnership. They're beginning to open a number of smaller stores in more urban locations. And then they also offer a 5% Red Card discount to their credit card holders and their debit card holders. And then some external threats that they have is right now, Walmart, Amazon, Costco, and Home Depot are their biggest competitors. In the past couple years, online shopping has become more in demand, especially through Amazon. With Amazon, you can get basically anything that you want, and then if you're a Prime member, they offer 2-day free shipping. Target does offer 2-day free shipping to their Red Card holders, but not everything is 2-day free shipping. It just kind of depends on the product that you order. And then also a huge factor in their sales is just how the economy is. So based on the SWOT analysis, our recommendation for the company is to start expanding internationally. This would benefit them because it would help bring in more revenue by increasing that customer base internationally. It could also help by creating additional jobs for people who are unemployed. And then it also opens the door to create additional international partnerships with other companies, maybe. But that's it. Thank you.